Discover the power of companion planting and biodiversity in permaculture gardens. Companion planting involves growing different species together to create a balanced ecosystem. It boosts plant health and yields. Diverse planting deters pests, improves soil, and increases yields. Embrace biodiversity for a resilient garden. Plant allelopathy is the interaction between plants. Choose combinations that work together for optimal growth. Design your garden with permaculture zones and plant guilds to maximize benefits. Create a thriving ecosystem. Natural pest control through companion planting. Attract beneficial insects and deter pests without chemicals. Plant flowers like dill and yarrow to invite beneficial insects to keep pests at bay. Improve soil health with nitrogen-fixing plants and deep-rooted crops that bring nutrients to the surface. Incorporate perennials in your permaculture garden for stability and continuous yields. Maximize small spaces with container gardening and vertical planting. Create lush, diverse urban gardens. Use intercropping and vertical planting to make the most of limited garden space. Companion planting fosters biodiversity and sustainable ecosystems. Start your permaculture journey today.